Hey everyone, I'm Arshit and you're watching Current Tech Arrows English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna continue our portfolio with Python 3. So guys, we were here. Now let me make this sidebar working. So let's do it. Streamlit have a very powerful feature for creating pages. You have to create a folder called pages, then like this. Then you have to do it like this. Right now I have just renamed the file as 01 underscore home. This is what you have to follow. You have been named it app.py. You have to write the section name. Firstly, let me complete this. You have to write the name of section and the ordering. The first part, this before the underscore part, is the number of section. Suppose we have 01 underscore home. It means that our home section will be placed first and our about section will be placed second. And if you have thousands of section, then you have to write thousand of section, 1000 underscore 99 underscore 998 underscore 997 underscore 996 underscore 9 dot dot dot. So guys, you have to do it like this. So guys, you have to go to constant and make a variable named about me and paste a brief history about yourself. So I have already written that. So let me save this. Now we have that in constants. So we can simply import our streamlit as st. Now let's save this and see guys, rerun. So guys, you will get this. You will get this kind of bar. So you can also maximize it, minimize it. Then after that, you have to write st.markdown. Here you have to import everything from constant. From constants, import a star, then about me. Then guys, you will get the same response as I am getting. You have to make your portfolio your content, not mine content. Right now I have just generated this content from the ChatGPT and this is my passionation. So in next video we are gonna make this chatbot function and then our portfolio will be completed. And we have to bring one thing more. We have to bring it at the top. I forgot it. You have to bring it at the top. So guys, let's go to the home, and after this we have this one. So we can cut this like this, then we have to paste it like this. Then let's save this. Now we will get it at the top, but this is not as much as we want. So we can put here a simple st.title blank. This will give you a title. And now we have the same response as here. If we have one more title, we have to do one more title. Then let's rerun. Now it is enough. It's enough. So guys, now it is created and we have to just make our question section, and now our chatbot will be created after second video, the second next video. So that's it guys, this is another video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for the video.